Hello all, this is Vishnu. My topic label for section 1 is Malgudi. Here, a company has acquired an Indian cafe chain called the Malgudi Coffee Day. Now, our main goal is to achieve maximum profit, and for that, firstly we have planned to close few of our outlets which are not performing well. At the same time, we will be opening around 50 new outlets. There are few factors that we have to consider which will help us in determining the least performing stores. The first one is the place where these stores are located. It should be easily accessible to the walking customers. And the second and the most important is the monthly sales generated by that stores, which we will be comparing with the topmost performing store. The third is a survey. We'll conduct employee as well as customer survey, and by asking them their feedback of the cafe. The fourth one is the average waiting time for booking. We'll take the ratio of the pre-booking as well as the walk-in customer. So these are the four factors which will help us in determining the least or the worst performing stores. Now coming to the second most important topic is the strategy or the method for profit maximization. So here we will be using the 7 P's of marketing. The first one being the place. As I mentioned before, it should be easily accessible to the walking customer. At the same time, it should have a mass crowd that is coming in and out on a daily basis, with a mix of both high-end as well as low-end customers. The second is the price. The product price should be maintained according to the value for money that the customer is paying for the experience as well as the product that they are receiving. The third is the product. We can make slight change in the menu card by adding a dedicated section for authenticated South Indian coffee options. The reason being, as we know, Malgudi is a fictional town based in South India. So this will justify this particular menu card section will justify our brand name. Fourth comes the promotion. As you know, social media and social media influencer are in trend right now, and people are inspired by it. So we can take advantage of this platform to boost our brand. Then comes people. People here refer to the employee who are the coffee maker, the coffee server, or the counter person. So we can start with a custom where these employees start calling each other or start addressing each other by buddy. So this will create a sense of friendliness among each other. The sixth one is the process. We'll use a strategy called transparency, where the customer will be able to see the product being prepared in front of them, and it will help to create trust as well as loyalty. The seventh and the last one is physical evidence. As you know, Malgudi, as I said before, Malgudi is a fictional town based on South India. So we can just change the ambience of our store by giving it a touch of a traditional South India or maybe a modern touch. So this will justify our brand name. Apart from that, we can even change the design of our coffee mug, which is different from that of similar product in the market. So these are the 7 strategies that we can use to improve the profit, or for the profit maximization, I should say. Thank you.